What's going on, nerdy girls? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really fun video for you guys. I'm going to be doing a haul slash review of a very pretty Stoney Clover item that I wanted for so long. And that is this beautiful Disney princess large backpack. I wanted this bag for quite some time now, and I believe that for a while you couldn't even get it online. I know this collection was very sought after when it came out, and honestly, it's because it's so freaking beautiful. I was in the city last week and I went to FAO Schwarz, and if you don't know what that is basically a really well-known and popular toy store in the city. I kind of went in on a whim because I was doing something nearby that day, and you know, I didn't expect to find anything that I would want to buy, let alone Stoney Clover. So for those of you who are curious to know about Stoney Clover at FAO Schwarz, if you guys are in the city, I highly recommend to check out FAO Schwarz, specifically the Barbie section, because that is where I found this bag, and it was 20% off. That is amazing. They were having a 20% off sale in store on all Stoney Clover, so of course I had to get the bag. Let's just take a look. It is stuffed with some things just to make it look a little more full on camera. It is a pink background, it has all the Disney princesses on it, and it has the gold hardware that Stoney Clover is known for. And it does have this ruffle detail on the front pocket, adjustable straps, and Disney Stoney Clover on the back. So let's look at this bag in more detail. So this is the bag. I just have it right here next to my Hello Kitty Halloween plush decoration. But it is so pretty. It has all the princesses on it. We have Snow White, Sleeping Beauty, Jasmine, Ariel, Tiana, Cinderella, Belle. And it's a really big, really roomy size. So if you're looking for something that can carry everything when you travel, or something that you can even use day to day, I think that this is a really great option. So I just took all of the stuff I had inside of the bag out, just so that you could see the inside and what it looks like. So this front zip pocket I just opened, and there is a lot of space in here. I also like that the lining is not just plain pink up here, it is a continuation of the bag pattern. I also think that the zipper detail is very cute. It has a little crown on it. And then the back has Stoney Clover Lane, their logo is on it. This is really roomy just in this front pocket. So I just opened the inside of the bag, and it has pink lining all throughout it. It's kind of a nylon material. They do say not to get this material wet though, so I wouldn't recommend it to wear in the rain, or if you are in the Disney parks, don't wear it on any type of water ride. And I love how high quality these bags are. I do have quite a few Stoney Clover bags, and they are some of the best quality backpacks and other types of travel accessories that I've ever had before. Let me zip this up real quick. And then here is the back of the bag in a little bit more detail. I love the straps. I love this little flowers, hearts, and stars pattern that we have. And their straps are adjustable. So they do have the buckle adjustable straps. Super pretty. It has the logo on the back, as I mentioned before. And then, as most backpacks have, the little piece for hooks. And it's just such a beautiful bag. The camera doesn't even do it justice. It looks so much better in person. But overall, such an amazing backpack. 10 out of 10. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like on, because I know that when I do bag review videos, things like that in the past, I've had a lot of people ask for what it looks like on, so I will show you guys. I didn't adjust the straps. This is how it is. It's so pretty. I'm obsessed. It's a perfect travel bag. It could definitely be used for your everyday. It could be a work bag if you guys want to do that. I have so many uses for this just because I'm always looking for, you know, good travel bags, stuff I can bring to Disney, and this is perfect, honestly. And of course, it's my color schemes, so that's even better. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little haul video. I know there are a lot of Stoney Clover fans out there because I am one, and I really wanted to share this with you guys. If you are looking for something else to watch, don't forget to check out my latest video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.